Ever wondered why proper ventilation is crucial for your roofing system? Well, sit back, relax, and allow us to unravel this mystery for you. A roof is more than just a protective covering over your head. It's a complex system with several components that work in harmony to shield your home from the elements. One of these critical components is the ventilation system. Now you might be thinking, why does a roof need ventilation? Let's liken your roof to the lungs of your home. Just as lungs need to breathe to keep a body healthy, a roof needs ventilation to maintain the well-being of a house. Roof ventilation allows fresh air to enter and stale air to exit, maintaining a continuous flow. But why is this so significant? Three primary reasons: temperature control, moisture regulation, and the longevity of your roofing system. Consider temperature control. During those sweltering summer months, heat from the sun can cause your attic to become hotter than the Sahara Desert. Without proper ventilation, this heat has nowhere to go, turning your home into a sauna and forcing your air conditioning to work overtime. Next, let's tackle moisture regulation. In the chill of winter, warm air rises from your home into your unventilated attic, where it meets the cold roof, leading to condensation. This moisture can cause an array of problems from mold and mildew to rot and structural damage. Finally, the longevity of your roofing system. Ever notice those unsightly curling or buckling shingles? That's often due to poor ventilation. Excessive heat and moisture can prematurely age your roof, leading to costly repairs or even a full replacement earlier than anticipated. In a nutshell, proper roof ventilation is a key player in maintaining a comfortable home temperature, preventing moisture-related issues, and extending the lifespan of your roof. It's an unseen hero, tirelessly working to keep your roof in tip-top condition. Remember, like a well-tuned orchestra, every part of a roofing system must work in harmony. While ventilation might not be the conductor, it certainly plays a crucial role in the symphony that is a well-functioning roof. If you found this explanation helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. Share it with your friends and family so they too can appreciate the importance of roof ventilation. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep those roofs ventilated and stay safe.